Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'll show you how to share files on Google Drive. So you can see this is the home page of Google Drive. Now select that file you want to share. If I go for this file, right click on it or just click on this three dot option. You can also see in this page. Now go for this share option. You can share it directly from here anywhere you wanna. You can share it, or you can just click on it, right click on it and go for share, and you can copy the link and share to your uh, person, to your friends, or whatever you want. So this is how you can share files on Google Drive. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.